Have you recently received a warning message from Total Drive saying you needed to upgrade your storage or risk losing your files and photos? One user says they signed up because the message sounded urgent and scary, but later discovered the billing was very different from what they expected. So is Total Drive a legitimate cloud storage provider? Or are customers being misled by confusing pricing and aggressive subscription tactics? Let's investigate. According to a customer complaint, they receive a message from Total Drive warning that they needed to upgrade their storage immediately, or they could lose access to important files and photos. The offer sounded cheap at first, just $1.99. The user says they agreed because they didn't want to risk losing personal memories and important data. But later, they discovered something unexpected. Instead of a simple one-time payment, the service was charging $1.99 twice every month. And later, the billing allegedly increased to $9.99 twice per month. The customer claims they never knowingly agreed to that pricing and now feels scammed. Now, to be fair, not every unexpected charge automatically means a company is a scam. Many subscription services rely on auto-renewal billing and promotional pricing. However, problems begin when pricing is unclear. Billing terms are hidden in fine print. Users feel pressured into upgrading. Cancellation becomes difficult. Or fear is used to push fast decisions. And that's what worries many people about situations like this. When messages imply that your personal photos or files could disappear unless you act immediately, users may panic and subscribe without carefully reviewing the terms. That's exactly why transparency matters. At the moment, Total Drive appears to be a real cloud storage service and not a fake website. However, legitimacy and customer satisfaction are not always the same thing. A company can technically provide a real service while still receiving complaints about confusing subscriptions, unexpected renewals, billing increases, or poor customer support. That's why it's important to research any online service before entering payment details. Always check independent reviews, refund policies, subscription terms, renewal pricing, and cancellation procedures, especially when the service involves recurring payments. Here are some warning signs consumers should watch out for with any online subscription service. Number 1, urgency tactics. If a message pressures you into acting immediately to avoid losing files, money, or access, slow down and verify everything first. Number 2, unclear pricing. Make sure you understand how often you'll be charged, whether prices increase later, and whether the subscription renews automatically. Number 3, hidden terms. Never rely only on the large text in advertisements. Always read the billing details carefully before confirming payment. Number 4, difficult cancellations. If canceling requires multiple steps, hidden pages, or contacting support repeatedly, that's a bad sign. If you believe you were charged unfairly, contact the company directly and request cancellation. Ask for a refund in writing. Save screenshots of pricing and billing history. Check whether your bank allows subscription disputes. And monitor your statements for future charges. The faster you act, the better your chances of stopping recurring payments. So, is Total Drive a scam or legit? Based on available complaints, Total Drive appears to be a real service, but some users report serious concerns about billing transparency and subscription pricing. That doesn't automatically make a scam. But if customers genuinely feel confused, pressured, or misled, those complaints deserve attention. The biggest lesson here is simple. Never subscribe to any online service without carefully checking the full pricing structure and renewal terms, especially when emotional pressure is involved. Have you used Total Drive before? Did you have a good experience? Or problems with billing and cancellation?